long. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's scary. That is so scary, guys. Oh boy. This is gonna be a long game.
3, 2, 1,
Let's
go!
play. How long do I have to survive? I'm just gonna like not even engage, guys. It's not even a smart idea. I'm Link, the worst. I mean, I know you guys love Link. I'm not good with the boy. Oh wow, he's actually kind of good in this game. Woo! Okay, I can keep these guys in the distance for 72 hours. Look at that. Stay away from me, boys. Stay away from me. This is easier. Holy crap. I have 2 lives also. Goodness, the difficulty is so freaking easy. I'm gonna do this. I mean, I know you guys want some entertainment, but I'm doing this because I just lost so much time. That Pretty in Pink level and that freaking Goku level, man. I'm telling you. Uh-oh. He's behind me now. Oh, he got me. He's paying attention. Nice try, boy. Oh, shit. No one gets it. That's better than some one of these guys getting it. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. They're actually getting harder. I can't move. I can't move. Oh, my God. What's this? Angry Moon. Dude, it's freaking scary. It's getting closer. Holy shit. I hope it's nothing serious. Keep your distance, boy. Keep your distance, boyo. I'm not gonna let up, guys. I survived way too long. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's scary. That is so scary, guys. Oh, those fire things. I think those fire things could actually... Holy shit. Oh. Ah.
Success!
That's... Why I got an F? I survived 70... Oh, the codes are what matters too. Okay, whatever, I'll beat it. Classic matchup. Eliminate the mother brain. Alright.
3, 2, 1, go!
I'm not gonna even move, guys. I'm just gonna stay here and... Fuckers! Holy shit! Oh my god. She's actually tough. Holy shit! Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy crap, guys. I underestimated Mother Brain. She is tough. I thought I could just spam.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my god. Is there an indicator where I could go and fight her? Oh. I don't know where to go. It's looking tough. Oh my god, those things are gonna do a lot of damage. Oh, I don't even know where... I don't even know how to, like, prepare for that. I think it's just best to be down here. Oh. Oh my god, I couldn't even dodge that. I couldn't even... Oh my god. Holy shit! Mother Brain is tough. Mother Brain is tough. Okay, the first few are gimmies. She's just going easy. After that, she gets tough. I'm gonna first do a mega shot at the beginning. Just spam out missiles. Oh, what the fuck? Dude, I don't wanna... Oh. Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! What the fuck? No! Oh my god. Really? What the hell? I can't dodge that! Ugh! Oh my god. Can I defend? How do you defend? How do you defend? How do you defend? You defend? Okay. That did not work. Oh my god. Maybe I didn't hold it long enough. Wake up, Samus! Wake up! Wakey, wakey! I thought I defended. Oh boy. I don't know what I can do there, honestly. It got me every hit move. Maybe it's a timer thing. That if I don't hit her, I'm so screwed. Shit. Really? What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. It's getting harder. Ah.
Oh my god, it's worse. Broke my shield. Broke my shield. Oh, that didn't. Oh shit. I'm gonna use that to my advantage.
Oh, I only had 2 lives. I think I have to move up very close.
Go!
What the hell? Save me! Oh, never mind. Oh shit, I could dodge that. Oh, okay. Oh boy. Oh shit. I just have to balance it. Oh my god. Under an hour, huh?
Go!
Boom! Why didn't I get anything? That didn't work. Oh, I couldn't dodge that. Oh, come on. No, 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 stop it, stop it! Oh, the closest I've been. Oh, shit. Shit! So close! Oh my god. I tried to dodge. I tried to dodge.
Failure.
But I was getting closer. Under 100. Under 100. I'm making progress, guys. Come on. Oh, God. Come on. Come on. Ah. I thought I could dodge that. What in the world?
Failure.
Oh, my gosh, guys. You could get chained so easily. And that's a mother brain. Slow, man. Oh, I couldn't dodge that. Oh. No! 6 HP!
Failure.
This is the only way to win, guys. Auto dash. It's gotta work.
2, 1.
Probably move faster now. Oh shit! Wow. Wow! No, not even letting me. Holy crap, I didn't even get a chance to even hit her once! Wow. Wow. She ain't letting up! Guys. What the hell, man? I just can't do that later.
3.
This sounds so much more easier. Oh, this is like the Peach level, except everybody. Oh! Suck it, boy. Look at this. This level is much more controllable. Oh boy. I only have 1 life. That means whoever my next opponent is, I could get fucking owned. It'd be funny if I see Luigi as one of his enemies, actually. Come on. This dumb AI. Take advantage of that. Oh shit! I thought. Oh. Come on.
Success.
Oh.